Hello, creative souls. Welcome to Crabby Colors, where we'll be embark on a colorful adventure to transform your walls into a crab-tastic masterpiece. We will be making our own crab wall paint. Are you ready to dive in? Let's take a look at our dye painting station. We will got all the essentials: vibrant paints, color brushes, and crab stencils, and of course, a blank canvas or a wall waiting to be transformed. So let's get started. The first step is to mix our crabby colors or draw crab. I have chosen a bold red of the body, ocean blue for the claws, and sandy beige of the background. Mix your paints to the palette until you achieve the perfect shade. Remember, it's all about personalize your crab. Now place your crab stencil on the wall. Make sure it's secretly take your. Now that we have the base colors down, let's add some details. And there you have it, and a crave wall paint masterpiece. I hope you enjoyed this creative journey. Feel free to share your crabby creation with us. Until next time, happy painting. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.